Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're okay. Today I'm going to talk you through this epic shopping bag. As you can imagine, this is absolutely right up my street. It's a Balenciaga supermarket shopper. It is just the most wonderful, wonderful bag. It's in gorgeous, soft, scrumptious leather. And it literally just looks like a shopping bag, but my goodness, what a shopping bag. Condition is insane, it's never been used. And as you can imagine by the colour, I am absolutely in love with this bag. I think it is just the coolest thing in the world. It comes with a bunch of stuff, I'm going to show you that in a second. But first of all, let's come in so you can see that beautiful leather and the Balenciaga. So it's the same both sides. You've got double straps here, double handles here, and you've got the sort of concertina so you can fit loads in. It's an absolute TARDIS, it's huge in here, massive, great big compartment, and it has got the wallet, which I'll show you in a second, and at the bottom you can see that this is how you can attach the little purse, the little wallet, the little clutch to there if you want to, or you can have it unattached. So this is it. Zip top closure, there's your D-ring that you would attach it by, zip top, and it's a black fabric lining inside there. Absolutely gorgeous. So it comes with the Balenciaga paper bag. It also has the dust bag, and then we've got a little card envelope sleeve which has the I think that's like a product tag, and then this one is the care document there. Okay. So size-wise, the measurements are on the website, but if I come back and hold it, you'll get an idea. I'm 5'4", I'm a UK size 10. It's just wonderful and it feels amazing. I mean, really does feel amazing. So the condition is, the interior is excellent, the hardware is excellent, the exterior is very, very, very good. It is literally almost excellent. As I said, it's never been used. The only reason it's a mark off being excellent is there is just a tiny little mark on the bottom corners. Can you see how small it is? It's not scuffed, it's not used, it's not worn. It's just a little tiny, you know, the kind of marks that things get just because they exist, like that. But I just couldn't call it excellent, so it's very, very, very good. Stunning, stunning piece of very special Balenciaga. So, there's a link to this on the website. Before you go and check this out, remember to please like the video and then hit the bell. And then, if you go to my comments below this video, there's a link that will take you to this on our website. Whilst you're on the website, remember to sign up to the newsletter because you get sent a discount code that you can use at the checkout for your first purchase with Armcandy. It'll take you about 20 seconds to do. You literally scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a box, you put your email address in and we will automatically and immediately send you your discount code. So it is immediate. If you don't get it in say a minute or so, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. And even if this isn't going to be your first Armcandy purchase, go and get your discount code ready today, ready so that it's literally ready to go for when your first purchase comes in. Your dream bag arrives and you want to go and buy it. What else do I need to? I think that's it basically. There's a link in the comments for our Instagram if you want to come and see what's going on in Armcandy world. But other than that, yeah, like the video, hit the bell. Click the link, check us out on the website, sign up to the newsletter. What a long list of to-dos you've got. And we'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's bag.